Afternoon all, Chief Prepper here, showing you the progress on prepping this wall so that I can put a board, two boards across here. It's going to be a board eventually coming across here that those boards will sit on, and then my solar array will sit on top of that, and it will get hopefully enough sun to power everything that I want to power. Those boards will be put together tomorrow. That window will come out. This prefab wall is done. That window will come out. And then there's an electrical wire in here that has to come out. Keep prepping, keep working. Information is knowledge and power. Live a little, prep a lot, share love. Chief Prepper, out.